So it's not tawag nito, na hindi siya hinayaan niya ang Yahweh na i-define na natin according to our own ways. He already established it before. Why? Bakit ginawa niya ang Yahweh yun? Because if you can see in Proverbs chapter 14 verse 12, the next slide, there is a way that seems right to a man, but its end is death. So Yahweh did not say, hindi niya hinayaan na we define good works by ourselves. He already set it in advance. He already set the standards, and He already set the instructions, because Yahweh knows that we as human, no, we think it's good, but actually it's not. Because the way at the end of this one of the is death. Or ibig sabihin, hindi po maganda ang magiging resulta. And lastly, next, basahin po natin sa next slide po natin. So ano pala ang gustong ibig sabihin ni Yeshua? Whoever practices and teaches His commandments will be called great in the kingdom of Yahweh. So ito pala, whoever practices the works set aside by Yahweh, kumbaga, the instructions given to us before, they will be the one to be called great in the kingdom of Yahweh. So this is the answer kung bakit, if the salvation is by faith, why not just ignore the Torah? Because sinasabi na, sino daw yung gumagawa ng mga kautusan ni Yahweh, they will be called great in the coming kingdom. Hindi yung mga sumusuway. And also, let us remember that Torah does not only refer to the 5 books of Moses. It's also refers to the whole as the Old Testament, because there you can see the teachings of the prophets, of the priests, doon yung mga instructions. Ang sabi sa John chapter 14 verse 15, if you love me, keep my commandments. You know, as yung book po, yung Bible po natin, those are words inspired by Yahweh, no? Na sinulat ng kanyang mga prophets. So, itong libro na to, this a list of all teachings, instructions, and guidance of Yahweh. Yan po ang whole Old Testament. And also, let us remember that when because of these works, the works of Yahweh, na pinakita niyo po sa atin, and here, if you follow the works of Yahweh, I mean the instructions of Yahweh, dito po makikita kung saan ka po nabibilong. Kumbaga, it also identifies who we are, who owns us. For example,